All right, what is up, YouTube? I got a small video today for you guys. Today we're gonna be throwing on a Fluidampr on a Genesis Coupe 2.0T engine, and towards the end of the video, I'm gonna explain to you guys why I decided to get a Fluidampr and what it can benefit in your build. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I don't know where my flap disc is at. I would recommend a flap disc over this grinding disc, but I'm just gonna use it anyways, and we're gonna see what we can get. I'm probably gonna get it as close as I can to flatten it out, and then I'm probably gonna use the file to like make it even all across. And yeah, just do that, see how it turns out. But we're gonna get this right now, and we're gonna go ahead and just pretty much like have it on top, and then just get this as low as possible and as close as I can to the this surface right here on top of the valve cover. And I'll show you guys what I mean right now. So I got it down, and this is only like 1 minute's worth of work, so I'd actually recommend using that grinding wheel, and that's what I got so far. So we're just gonna keep going down until it's flat, and then we're gonna use this filer, or that file, and then we're gonna make it flat all across evenly. And yeah, let's get back to it. All right, so I finally finished, and this is what it looks like. See how like everything's smoothing out? That's what you want. You want it to be all smooth. So that way when you order the Fluidampr, I'll give you guys the part number right now. That way when you guys order the Fluidampr, it goes straight down and you're not gonna have any fitment issues. Otherwise, if you had these lips right here, the two lips, the one right here and then the outer one, it wouldn't be able to go all the way down and you would run into an issue. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. I'm gonna send this off to get powder coated actually. So when this gets back, I'll go ahead and throw it on, and then I'll show you guys what the final product looks like. But yeah, that's all it is. It only took me like maybe like 15 minutes to grind all of that down with this disc, and get it to where it's at. I would highly recommend this off your car if you can to do it. If not, then you're gonna have to be really careful with this in the engine bay, because you can potentially hit other stuff. Because with this out of the car, I was able to like angle it any way I want, you know, be comfortable with it. I did nick it here and there on these parts right here, but it's not bad at all. All right, so now that we went through the process of how to properly install the Fluidampr on the timing cover, I'm going to show you guys a comparison on the original harmonic balancer with the lips, and then versus the Fluidampr without the lips, and why you need to do it. It's just to give you guys a better visual representation of why you need to shave down those lips for this to work. So as you can see, this is your original harmonic balancer. It kind of has like a groove in here, so that way it can fit over the lips. And it also has these little cutouts right here. And when you put it on, you can see that with those grooves cut out, this will slide over the lip perfectly fine. But if I were to throw the Fluidampr on here, it sits on top of the lips. So that is why you need to shave down the lips for this to work. Why did you get a Fluidampr, and what does a Fluidampr do? Well, the original crank harmonic balancer the purpose for this harmonic balancer is to help with engine vibrations inside the engine. Okay, so you guys know I'm making like roughly around 800 wheel horsepower now, and that's pretty much triple what the original engine was designed to make. So as you increase power, you're going to want something to help out those harmonic balances inside the engine as you increase power and as you increase RPM. So my car is built to go up to 9,500 RPMs. So that's a lot. I think that's what, like 2,000 more RPMs than what you can originally do on a 6-speed on here. I'm not too sure, but Anyways, it makes way more RPMs than what it was designed to do. So I went ahead and brought the Fluidampr to help out what the harmonic balance is because of the extra power I make and because I make more RPMs. I'm not going to go into depth about what it can do fully for the build. You guys can go ahead and just look it up. I mean, there's a lot of great videos out there on what a Fluidampr is designed to do, or harmonic fluid dampener, what they're designed to do and their purpose. Like you can go to Jay's Tech Tips. That's where I get a lot of my information from. He's really cool. He's from Real Street. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know about him, but you guys can go ahead and just, you know, look up that video and figure out what it can do, what else it can benefit. But to me, that's just what I wanted it for. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's what I have right now. I'll do another video hopefully whenever everything is assembled, and I'll show you guys a final product of it all together. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, real quick, the part number for this was, let's see, get it to focus. It's 570701. Okay. Huge shout out to Danny. Danny's the one that actually helped me out with this process. He's actually the only person with the Fluidampr. I pretty much liked the idea that he did it, so I went ahead and asked him for help on how to do it, and dude helped me out the whole way, and I'm so happy that he helped me out. So I'm just trying to help you guys out now. If you guys make you know, all you big turbo Genesis Coupe guys that are looking for a Fluidampr option, this is your answer right here. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'll come back and update you guys whenever everything is assembled. So yeah, laters.